This is the Irontrader, and this is Midday Trading. Today we're going to take a look here at the old Volatility Index, the VIX, V-I-X. This video is for information purposes only, not a recommendation to buy, sell any stock, commodity, ETF. Please like, subscribe. Thanks for watching. All right, here we have the VIX, your daily, your weekly, and your monthly chart. Let's take a look here on the old daily first. All right, now when you look at all the indexes, your Dow, your S&P, your NASDAQ, you're basically at nosebleed territory here. Now, usually what happens here is at the end of the month, the indexes, everything will run up into the end of the month except for the last day. Okay, the last day is usually a sell-off, and then the beginning of a new month usually is first couple days is a good run up. Now, remember, there's a lot of earnings coming up here. You got your I believe it's your Apple, your Meta, Amazon. You got a lot of good earnings, Microsoft, Google. A lot of earnings going to be coming up here very, very shortly. Okay, so always keep that in mind. So let's take a look here on the daily. Now, when we look at this, what do we see? We see a low. All right, we see pretty much of like a retest, but it's a higher low, and then a higher low here. Now, when we look at the upside, you see a high, a higher high, and a higher high. This is a very, very bullish pattern to go higher. Okay, so that's what you have to always look at. So what we want to do first is look on the upside. Is you want to look at this 8 SMA here. You're looking at 1350, and then we look here at the top. You're looking at 1410, and then what we can do is we can check out this candle at 1435. You have 1458, 1489, and then your big retest up here is 1531. Which lines up pretty much here with your 200 SMA. Now, the key is you can see here on this pattern here is the same thing as that. So this is like a low, higher low, higher low. That's very, very bullish. And same way with this, you've got a high, a higher high, higher high. That tells you that you want to go, you can go higher on this. So it's just going to be a matter of time before you're going to have a good market sell. Now, when you look at your MACD, well, you're pretty much flat. Your green is like on top of your red. It's just going like a sideways action. All right, so let's just take a look here on a weekly chart. Now, you can see where you had to sell down, but you can see that action that's going on. Okay, so you want to watch that 8 SMA here at 1286, and then you got that retest sitting at 1181. That is going to be very, very crucial because you can see here on the monthly, if this does sell down, you can come all the way down here to this 856 here on your monthly chart very, very easily. Okay, so what you want to do here is, first of all, just look at that 1286. That's the key on the downside. And then your upside is going to be your 21-day at 1490. And then you can rally up here. If you get past that 1531, you can come up to this 50-day at 1606 very, very easily here. Okay, so right now, to me, this VIX just looks like it's going to be a matter of time before she's going to explode higher, which will take the markets actually down. Okay, so you just have to remember that here. So always kind of watch the VIX here for volatility. Now, it isn't such a key measure like it used to be. I don't know for whatever reason, but I always just keep my eye on it here. And then when I see a pattern like this of higher lows and higher highs, that tells me that it's going to be a matter of time before you're going to have a sell-off and that VIX is going to rocket higher. All right, that's what I got for you on the old VIX. Thanks for watching.